Hey folks, I'm back from being on the road, and we're going to go ahead and open up the 2021-2022 Panini Donruss Optic, and let's see what we get. So we have Curtis Samuel, Washington Commanders. Cardstock's thick. I like that. Check that out, man. Wow, that's crazy. Tua Tagovailoa, the quarterback. So I know he's promising, but he got hurt. So let's see. Maybe he'll come back. We have Deebo Samuel, 49ers, and then we have a it looks like some kind of prism, kind of starry thing. Anyway, it's a Randall Cobb, wide receiver, Packers. So nice card. Shot in the dark if you get any of the rookies, but let's see what happens. Will Fuller, the 5th, the Dolphins. Saquon Barkley, nice card. T.Y. Hilton with the Colts. And there we go. Got a rated rookie, but it's Javon Holland with the Dolphins. So, hey, at least I got a rookie card somewhere. So, other than that, cards are nice. They're really good. Randomly out of 2 packs, I don't know if I'd buy it unless I were going to get a blaster box. But until next time, thank you for watching the video and supporting the channel, and see you next time.